Hello, good day everyone. Welcome to another tutorial on Rocky Rabbit. I believe you're all enjoying this particular airdrop. Okay, now some of you have asked me that how can you upgrade from your normal level newcomer tournament to freshman tournament. As you can see on screen, I'm at freshman tournament level 0. Okay, for you to do that, all you just have to do is click on this upgrade button. Then you can see that I cannot actually get to freshman tournament. You can see because it's required that I upgrade some cards, and if I click on this, you see that freshman tournament has been checked, but I need to be able to get flexibility training coach to level 2. And once I get to flexibility, it requires that I get competition preparation to level 2, this to level 2, this to level 2, and that is how it keep on asking me to. You can see once I click on this again, it keep on directing me to get all of these, and once I click on this again, it keeps repeating itself all the way up and to another level. So how do you go through this upgrade without having to stress yourself? So the moment you click on this upgrade here, so the first thing you want to do is just close this. You want to head to the fighter tab and upgrade section. So the first thing you need to do is to upgrade this nutrition to level 2. So once I upgrade my nutrition to level 2, okay, the next thing is I want to upgrade my supplements to level 2 as well. So after which I will upgrade my warm-up to level 2. Okay, once I've done that, the next thing I want to do is I want to head up to the coach tab. Okay, then I'll go to upgrade as well. Then I want to upgrade my excuse me, I want to upgrade my technical basic, teaching basic skill, physical training, and all the way down like that. Okay. So with this particular upgrade now, I can actually head back to tournament, and you can see that I can now move to freshman tournament. So now when I click on freshman tournament, I can easily upgrade, and by the time you head back to your dashboard, you can see you're already in freshman tournament level 1, and you can decide to upgrade it to level 2 just like I have it, to level 3, to level 4, to whatever level that pleases you, but make sure that you spend your coins responsibly. So I will just stop at level 6 for now, and I will do the upgrade later. So that's how to move from newcomer level to freshman tournament. So if you find this video very helpful, please like and share with your friends, and do have a wonderful day.